Well, hello, my family. Let me just get started because I'm not going to be on the camera long, but I do want to show you all what I went and purchased this morning. You all know that I am a Facebook Marketplace person, and if there's something that I see on Facebook that pretty much match the style of my home, I'm going to try to pick it up. And one of the things that have always been very dear to my heart is any silver. Now, I do have silver in here, but this lady had something on Facebook Marketplace. I'm really not pleased with it, but I do have a place that I am going to use it and just kind of see how it's gonna work. Okay, so any silver like teacups and, you know, teapots, and I just think that a whole service of those things are very pretty. If I can get those things, I'm gonna put them in my house. My home is what I consider a traditional home. I am very particular on certain things that I like in my home. I like matching something that may be in somebody else's home. They may not love it, but I like to mix patterns and, you know, the trims is brass, golds, different things like that, silver. I do have a silver set that I have bought, but I don't have a tray, a long tray to set all of my silver on. And so that's what I was in search of. Now let me just show you what I got. The silver that I got this morning was a piece that I think is very, very pretty. And so let me just take it out of the bag. She put it in a bag for me, y'all. And so I am actually going to show you all. So this is the silver here. This is the silver that I purchased. I think it was like $20. And this is is it Gorham silver? Yes, this is Gorham silver. And it does have a number on the back of it. But it's beautiful. And I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna do with it. Either two things. I could stand it up on certain things in my home, and you know, just like for a piece, just like sometimes you get decorative plates and you place them in your home. Well, I can actually do this with the silver. Or I can use it as a tray that I put like all of my stuff in the kitchen. I can use it as a tray, and I can put like my olive oil, things that I usually normally cook with. They wouldn't be in the cabinet, but I would have them sitting on this silver tray in my kitchen. I saw some people that did that. It's not many homes that I've been to that did that. But one thing that you don't want to do is get your silver and you just put it up and you never use it. So I have two ice bucket, well, it's not really ice bucket, but it's like wine buckets in there that I want to show you, and they do need polishing, but this is one of them. And I can see the lady, she did try to polish it, but I'm gonna go back and I got some stuff that I'm gonna use to polish it. But just 1 minute while I come right back on these things. But these are some actual buckets. One of these buckets, I'm gonna be honest, I don't remember exactly where I purchased them from, but this one of them I got from eBay, I think it was. And it wasn't this one. This one is very heavy. I don't think it was that one. Yeah, this is the one that I got from eBay because I have to look like this. This one is made by Gorham as well. It's silver plated. And so things like this you can actually put around in your home. And this one, we usually shine it. It usually shines up very pretty. A lot of time people don't like silver because from time to time you do have to take time and you have to you know, shine these up with like, you know, polish them up. And I have this Right Silver Cream, and this is what I've been using on these, and so it's what I'm going to use on my new dish. But I just love this, y'all. Let me tell you. So my goal for these is I plan on taking these and I'm going to place them somewhere in my living room, and I may do a nice big floral arrangement in these. They're not gonna be used for like wine. That's not what I got them for. It's to change it up and see what I really wanna do with it. And so this is pretty much what I am looking at. So I have 2 of these. And I think this one is a little bit harder to clean. I see a little bit more stuff on it, but it's fine. I'm gonna clean these up this morning. And then from there, I'm going to show you how so the first thing that I am going to do is I'm going to, it has a little sponge in here, and you just kind of, well, the sponge is pretty much already a little wet. But I'm just gonna do the back of it here. I thought my camera was on, y'all, but anyway, as you can see, it did shine up very good from that part in the bottom. There is a little bit of stuff here, which I don't like, but all you have to do is just rub it hard, and sometime it'll come right off. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and let my phone charge because I see the battery is dying. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish these up, and I will come back and show you all the final project, okay? Okay, everybody, so this is the final project of all of my silver that I have shined up today. And I'm very ecstatic about it. Just look how beautiful it looks, y'all. It is work, that's why you can do this maybe one time a month, but if it needs it. But this is all of my set. I know that first video we were working on these two and the plate here, but I went into my cabinet over there and I got the rest of my pieces out. So I want to find a actual long tray, round tray, or either square tray to set these 4 pieces on. And so as you can see, they are very pretty. I didn't do all of the inside of them, but because when you start doing all of this, you eventually get tired. But some of them look pretty clean. But inside the buckets, but yeah, so this is the finished project, y'all. My beautiful silver. Okay, talk with y'all later. Bye-bye.